no ewie pay enye free na wakotua school fees no enti enye sisi dan yaman kwala ne textbooks yaman kwala no baby obetena sua ade patron dem pat yaman school atade ye the computer center sa akoma kwala no ani ewie ye ne to mo ko day school or secondary school no ya absorb when am the headmasters mark makomiensa and the kasa we say aban introduce that policy in 2015 aban no day school ni bia aban ni tua 550 and 55 Ghana cedis and na metie minister no so no so confirm we as sika no ye start free kwala no boarding fee no and today ni no ya 10 of 55 no ya start here free secondary school ni no ye border na wodidie no so no tua 300 cedis ya 50 free ma baba ye say 250
kwago we the end this year
and no ana me say e progressive ana me chinema bedru me chinema bedru obeti ase
and the draw momentum because
my time no dey man woman 20 minutes ago time be brave na you to be education ni ade ehia nkofo
why almost 15 minutes
debi education ni ade ehia nkofo nti ya nto ye bo ase ankyere mu na woti ha o misinform nkofo te free secondary school so enya fe
kwaku bo ahwe
me pesa me educate na ate ase tu ka bi mu na wan kasa ye
so obi misinform here me
misinform me educate utitie
no who educate me
so when
I'm sorry who educate
okay only group ni bi
who educate
enya free if you can say free
who educate
me partial free
me say who educate
me ka sanya na abo tiri ko me cheche ni me tiri na abo tiri
educate me kwaku educate
nti de ye kan say sabai bi aba na wo se obeba be ye free secondary school e ya dia ya started that progressively tesi am no ka say ndc abai introduce bibia ne friend capitation retention premium teacher ni bia wo kira de ya katua no ya dia about 10 to 15% aka na katua ho entibusu fa pay slip obra
me ba
ya wo retention premium
wa
ewo pay slip bia so ndc abai and introduce ye retention premium across the country who educating office who classroom so wo hi o sa retention premium no ewo so akoma mpato ne mpaten se de be ye be teacher fo no atumi ayi omo ma kira de enra na me play headmasters bi ni teachers bi omo say we the free secondary school aba na ye teacher fo no nso no ekwa ba so ne be fa so a ya brabo mu be ye yi ekwa ba hwe efrisi ya wo na first ko to middle school wa middle school and say JSS and primary school ko say na kensi woda mo pen so na teacher ni be na use car KG be na teacher ni be use car even secondary school plan emi pass na use car o enne yam no ka say uko KG bia wanya car kwa na ka be mi na mensa teacher so
but me ke be jono say na policy bi wo ho na
teacher for
e wo ho kwan so hold on
yeah
omo timi kokoto car e ba ya ye nyo bi bia wo so ya we
just eno say ni na ka
and this about it
ya free ho that policy wo ho
I am telling you
ye free ho eh dey yam no ka yes ye free ho
a teacher free
dia ya e ma sa de ne ba ye no ye ma natefo e kwan say ukofa ka ne ba na papers wo ho na bibia wo ho a utumi ye den e de wo no ma ba o particular ba ni etua ka ne kama o ma processing no mo tua ka ne kama ye ma teacher for allowance wo use ka wo school na do papers ko na ejani wa ye mo allowance sa de ma we nyina NNDC for di gu akwam se de be ya eniema ne betumi akonanim enti se waba na obi a start free baby na wo so ba ye no oba be ma secondary school for free a anaso be mo ko form 1 for free me wa wo koye campaign e ko ka kire wo mo form 1 form 2 form 3 for say oba obe ma kola na ko school free sa form 1 ni nti say o form 2 osu odi yawo wo so ano de on ka ho form 3 ni de all form 3 say no form 2 okodi last ko to aba ma so oba obe ko school free say on ko school free enti say wo the progressive for aba enka say total free enye holy eye pasia enti na me ka say de omo ye we no eya dia ba bia ba wato aso nya de ne ebotai le say enka ye ba power o ko ba ka ba na nka kola bia wo form 1 to form 3 no enka enti say di gu akwam no ka ba na absorb day for no because because ka dey for no ke absorb ni nyina awie anka ye start na nkomo adidie no ye tete so kakran ka e betwa 4 years awie no mo sakola bia wo memu ano ekwa iba se se de ma me fu di awerefo that ye yampo and say any am no kase nkwala bet 100,000 in your school mo kwai
and as mesa ba kwaku ba cho obre na so mesa ba nche na we no ato so ma kilometer le wo you can ba kasa o 3 claim that the free and they doesn't have any improvement program so
Friday me ba
President Akufo-Addo and the government has the political and the vision to make it successful because they will not use the resources of Ghana this issue. Sit down. Again, McKemmening continues and says that it is very unfortunate that the minority who claims to be a socialist party is downplaying this laudable free senior high school policy with their own selfish partisan interest, and this conduct by the minority is eroding their credibility and relevance in opposition. The doommongers and nation wreckers and they should give us a break. Mark Elamining from the UK, and this message we say we say what's wrong with the same opposition people, that's the NDC members? If they have a good idea about how to make this policy work and stay for good, this policy is for all Ghanaian children and not MPP children or NDC children. Let's help to make this policy a reality. That is from one funny thing. Next time, supply your name. Professor Kwame Aristocrat says that on September 19, 2016, MPP opposition policy analyst Boache Jakon said that the NDC's free progressively senior high school was deceptive. Ekoba, you have 3 children. One is going to the senior high school Form 1. The remaining 2 are in Forms 2 and 3, respectively. Mahama told you to pay 38 Ghana cedis for all your children at once in his progressively free senior high school. Here, you would have paid 111. You said no, but want free education for all wanting to go to the senior high school. Now, under the MPP, that's free for whoever wanted to go to the senior high school. Only Form 1 is enjoying, but your other 2 kids will be charged 900 Ghana cedis each, which is 1,800 Ghana cedis a term. Calculate this simple math and see how Nana Adedankwa Akufo-Addo, MPP, are deceiving Ghanaians. Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman has nailed it because why not? This is not free. Professor Kwame Aristocrat message also the buy and Kwesi Reynolds, the day say Kwesi Reynolds from Agona on Toby Senior High School is now a reality and Ghanaians are going to enjoy it. The pessimists and naysayers who polluted the minds of people that it can't be done and should keep quiet now with their negativity and help to sustain it for the benefit of the Ghanaian. Change has really arrived and Ghanaians must follow this particular change. More of the messages here. Right, I think it was 4.7 FM today. It's about 25 minutes to the top of the hour, 10 o'clock. Now, we go Echo Jones from the Progressive People's Party. Mudian Kamuhan can be progressively free, eh?
I am out there. I'm a studio. I done NDC, na MPP, JSS.
I didn't just say MPP, NDC.
I mean, this is a what's all? What?
That is tangential. The dome don't report this. This was not part of the echo air. Way a tangential to you.
Tangential, but it's affecting my psyche and everything. I want to say.
So continue talking. Let me hear you.
I have a right to put.
You have the same.
Well, after that, I have 20 minutes.
There's sanity to talk. So 15 minutes rather.
No,
15 minutes.
Hey, you did 20 minutes.
No
interruption.
He did 15 minutes.
Okay, so let's do this. Number 1. Constitution of Ghana.
That's right.
1992. Chapter 5. 25. And I read. All persons shall have equal rights to educational opportunities and facilities with a view of achieving the full realization of that right. A. Basic education shall be free, compulsory, and available to all. As the order Ghana Nigara Onya Hukwan. The Obenya School, Papa, an education institution, Papa. And the man who now order or your taught you awesome. Now, what's being section A in there? Basic education, now there's school up, a social school, order or free, not compulsory. Other children was share our folk on my money school. Now, oh yeah, available to watch there, although beyond a second. It is a constitutional right. On an NDC or an MPP slogan. And then progressively free now evocatively, progressively free, and now biometrically progressive. Don't go semantics. Doesn't mean anything. The Progressive People's Party yet campaign on the linear. We are starting from kindergarten, because in the first place, the educational system we're running in Ghana itself, it's a sick educational system. Osande, a man origin technological. The world, listen, the world is leaving Ghana behind. Most African countries are moving on. But my beer, don't demo the Asambuja, Oba 1482, Yakab of Elizabeth, President, the Mark of fighter, you know, all that. We expect.
That is not fair.
Oh, well, fine. If it's not fair to you, you know.
It's not fair to everybody. Okay, well. Not to my listeners.
No, withdrawn. Okay. But at the end of the day, I'm saying, oh, wonderful semantics. Wonderful, the same Wafaka Sinara. Today, free SHS is going to be launched. Hooray! It's not a bad idea. It's a great idea. But it's only a section of it. I'm saying, mobile S2. And see, she's not part of it. But my baby, so on your MPP in the back, and on your NDC in the back, or a PPP by saying, here I hope PPP say. Never been 8 years, none of my committee for years. They better for them, and I'm saying, with the idea. What are we doing? Partisan education. Education for Ghanaian children across the board. Yash and NDC Puto, the MPP singlet. Nay, anybody, somewhere everybody, Sikana was your head Ghana for taxes. It is the taxes of the people. And the Constitution demands on Kade progressive, Constitution should be progressively free. It should be implemented. Like I'm saying, here we've gone ahead to say that the BECE in the whole thing should be scrapped. When you BECE in the show, Osande, Akoba, what's it? How do we get it done? How do we facilitate this? How is this sustainable? It has to be sustained. On there, you know, sustainable by some other means or any other. But we have to, the nation state has to ensure the sustainability of such a policy. Mama, you're fair to all. And I'm here with mixed feelings. I'm still paying. I'm mini NDC. I'm mini MPP. So double jeopardy. You know. So when you are the Yamiasi, when you are G, and I'm sorry, Yeritia, Yanso Yamiasi, Yabucha. So for me, it's free for other people, but as for me, I'm still paying. But at least for those people who have not had the opportunity, I am when I don't when you free opportunity now, why in CCN, when you are no one film, no one yet. As a Northern, let's remember that the 3 Northern regions have been enjoying this facility for a very long time. And CCN, so about South, no sir. Indian PPP, me came there. And check, even with the election of our district chief executives, the day schools, the community day schools are even NDC Washington and Jabani Bay, they should continue and add some more. Even if people have stolen by doubling figures.